Okay. A very good afternoon to our visitors for the Star Education Fair, where education shapes tomorrow. So today I'm with Mrs. Key. She is the program leader for TAR UMT Penang branch. So Miss Key, how are you? Are you
Fine.
fine? All right.
Yeah, very good.
Okay. How's today's going so far?
Very good.
All right.
Everything goes very well.
All right. So now we are going to conduct this session with a mixture of Mandarin and also English. Is that
Sure,
fine?
sure.
All right, sure. So 今天呢，我们会大概跟大家介绍一下，其实他与 MD 是怎样的。这样子的话，Miss Key，能不能你大概给我们介绍，其实他与 MD 它的那个 establishment 是怎样，然后它的一点点的历史。
可以。
嗯
我们一路走来，我们是 established during 1967.
嗯哼
So, sorry, 1969.
啊，这是
Okay,
nine。
as a college.
OK，
Then after that, 去到2013的时候，我们 upgraded to so-called UC, which
嗯
is
哼
a university college.
，OK，
And then 去到2022的时候，我们再继续 upgraded to university level.
哦
So
，OK，
for Penang branch 呢，大概我们1994到1999大概是在 transfer road。Then
哦，
after that 从1999 onwards，我们
嗯。
从 transfer road 搬过来丹中蒙啊这个 area。
Okay. All right. So 那个就是台语 MT 的历史。So in the establishment of Thai MT, they actually have a lot of faces, and also
Yes,
they have been to a lot of places around Penang, also around the Malaysia.
yes.
So especially for today, we are going to talk about the Penang branch of Thai MT. So maybe Miss Key, would you like to introduce 可以大概跟大家介绍一下，就是 Penang branch specifically，就是它 offer 了什么课程啊？就是它的 course 是什么？因为刚刚我听到有 foundation、有
Yes.
degree、有 postgraduate 这样子的，so
对。
可以跟我们的 viewers 大概share 一下吗？
If you only mention about Penang
嗯
branch,
哼
we're actually offering foundation, diploma, as well as a bachelor degrees.
，OK，
So for the foundation, we do have like a business as well as computer
嗯哼，嗯
science.
哼，
And for our this diploma, we actually offer variety of programs. For instance,
嗯
like engineering,
嗯哼
IT or computer science. And
，OK
then we do have the business.
OK
And then we have the mass comm, PR.
OK
We also have the building as well.
OK for each faculty have its own building.
Yes, we have
I see.
multiple faculties.
嗯哼
And as for the bachelor degrees, actually we do offering business as well.
嗯
And
哼
actually in business, we do have a lot of programs. For instance,
嗯
like accounting and
accounting.
finance,
Yeah, yeah.
and then which is quite famous one,
Yeah, yeah. So there's a lot of
Yes.
branches.
And then we
Okay.
do have the international business.
Mm-hmm.
We also do have this business administrative and
Mm-hmm.
etc. And then
Mm.
for our this IT, we actually have a data science,
Mm.
software engineering, as well as a
Okay.
software system developments. This is
All
a
right.
particularly in Penang specific one lah. And
Okay.
then in engineering, we do have the engineering program as
Mm-hmm.
well for
Mm-hmm.
the bachelor degree. Building, as far as I understand, we do not offer any degree. But if
Mm-hmm.
the students would like to pursue their degree to this bachelor since they were diploma,
Yeah.
they can actually opt for this degree in KL or any other
Okay.
branches that they are
I
interested.
see. Okay. Okay.
And then
Okay.
we do have mass comm, PR
Mm.
as well.
Okay.
Actually, in fact, what I heard is they are going to offering some new program as well very
Oh,
soon.
okay, okay. We are
Yes,
very glad to know that, and we are the first one to hear about the breaking news. All right,
yes.
so Miss Key, can you bring us to a little bit about your educational background? So
Um,
I heard that you are a program leader for data analyst in TAR UMT. So maybe you would like to share a bit more about your experience in this field.
Actually, I was having my bachelor in computer science,
Mm-hmm.
majoring in software engineering from USM.
Oh, okay, USM. All
Yes.
right, all right.
And of course, after that, I continued my study in a master in computer science as well. But of
Oh,
course, mainly I was focusing in a research base.
mm,
Um,
okay, okay.
for my research base, actually, my topic was mainly focusing on data science related.
Okay, I
Uh,
see. So now we are talking about data science, and now we are well informed that AI is increasingly being used, and even in many different kind of field, even
yes,
students,
correct.
even primary school 小学生、大学生都会
Mm.
在用这个 AI。所以呢，请问 Miss Key 就是你的意见 about 这个 data analyst 跟 AI 呢？就是 AI 能不能会代替掉这个 data analysis 的 job。
In fact, actually, 假如是你们听到 AI, I think
嗯
many parents they actually quite worry.
嗯哼哼，
Rather, I
确
think
实，
many questions they are asking 是 AI 会不会取代工作？
啊，
我孩子
对对，
以后出来会不会有工作？
嗯
我的孩子会不会失业
对，
？So called 这样的 question.
哈哈，
But actually, they need to understand very clearly the boundary of so-called the roles in between AI as
嗯
well as this human. What can
嗯
human do or what can AI do?
I see.
Actually, AI they are more focusing on repetitive work, and then
Okay.
they can actually automate a lot of businesses, of
Mhm.
course, a lot of processes,
Mhm.
and of course, AI can help human to
Mhm.
fasten all their work,
啊，
increase our
对，
productivity. But please take note that AI also do make a mistake sometimes.
Yeah,
We
true.
still need a human
Mm.
to verify.
Yeah.
And not only that, human actually, what AI lacking of what human, I
Mm.
mean, sorry, what means that what
AI is lacking
AI lacking of what human
emotion.
has,
Yeah, yeah.
such as like communication,
Emotion.
emotions,
Yeah,
and
true.
then maybe like leadership,
Mm.
judgment,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
all these ethics they don't have.
Mm.
So for me, actually, and then furthermore, sometimes you may see that actually AI, in fact, actually transforming or evolving the entire industrial in
Yeah,
IT.
true.
Maybe people may think that okay, AI tools may replace programmer work someday, but
Mm.
no,
No.
no,
Still need
they
human
they they
supervision.
were able to write the code. They were
Mm.
able to help programmers to debug the code,
Mm-hmm.
but doesn't mean that they were able to write the
Replace.
entire system code
Ah,
100%.
I see.
So basically, and not only that, additionally, actually AI creating a lot of job opportunities nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
In some Malaysia, I think sometimes Malaysia grows slower.
Yeah.
In overseas, actually, some new careers which are actually how to say generated from
Mm-hmm.
due to this AI transformation is
Yeah.
actually like prompt engineers, AI product
Mm.
managers, and
Yeah, yeah,
etc.
yeah.
So you can see that actually a lot of job opportunity are created due to this AI as well.
Mm.
And again, also we wish to emphasize that AI is not only in focusing in writing coding,
Yeah.
because if you see in our IT world, actually we have a lot of diversified fields.
Yep.
So, for instance, like cloud computing,
Mm-hmm.
infrastructure,
Mm.
database administrator, networking,
Mm.
and then we do have a lot of like data analytics and etc. Which some of these are actually not able to be replaceable by AI.
Mm-hmm.
So we can't really say that AI will replace the job, but
Mm.
we will say that AI helps to
Of
improve
the job.
humans' productivity and
Okay.
amplifies our this job opportunity and etc.
I see. Okay, okay.
Mm.
Thank you so much, Miss Key. So now we move on to the next question, which is what is the probability or maybe 可能性 of AI IT careers in this AI age? So 我们读了 IT，然后有了这个 AI 这个东西呢，就是我们的 IT 工作会有什么呢？就是它是不是会减少呢，或是会更多？
嗯，
你的看法是什么？
它是帮忙 increase productivity 啦，应该这样讲。
嗯
然后就像刚才我讲这样咯，它会 create 更多的 job
嗯
opportunity 咯。因为其
嗯嗯
实AI 它create 很多的那一个 threat as well，cyber security 的 threat as
嗯
well。所以你可以看到，好像我们 banking 也是需要 security，education 也是有很多的
对对，
是 personal information
嗯
payment 啦，好像
，yeah yeah，
online e-commerce platform，all these we actually need a lot of this data protection.
嗯
So, but then you can see that actually hackers when they hack the system, they use AI also sometimes.
yeah yeah
But when the company actually they trying to
yeah
preventing their company
yeah
from
yeah
being
yeah
hacked,
mm-hmm.
they also
AI
existed
use
by
AI
AI to
yeah
help them
true
to monitor all these
detect the
hackings.
scams yeah
Yes,
I see
all these hack detection and etc. So
okay
basically, how we say, this is a symbiosis relationship. We need to each other lah.
true true true
Last time before we have the AI,
mm-hmm.
maybe human carry out their work slower. I would say
True
that with the AI,
mm-hmm.
human will able to produce their work faster. But
True.
provided that all these people they still need to have the foundation in IT knowledge.
Mm,
You cannot just say that I
okay
have the zero knowledge and I directly use AI. I don't need to study in a bachelor in computer science that I can
yeah
use
yeah
AI directly.
true
I can know everything
yeah at
already.
least they need to have the
Yes, they
foundation
need to have all these
mm,
foundation. That's why
I
we
see
see we can say that students they still need to study. Still need to go through diploma. They still need to go through the bachelor degree to build
okay
and develop all their these technical skill.
yeah
Then only they can work together with AI
Yeah, true, true,
to
true.
help them to carry out their work or maybe
Yeah.
amplify this job
Their
productivity.
work also can be better, I believe.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now, Miss Key, can we try to promote TAR UMT Penang branch
Mm,
specifically, and what's so special about TAR UMT? I heard that there's quite a few qualifications that is obtained by TAR UMT. So,
yeah.
would you like to share with our viewers today?
Actually, we have quite many good programs,
Mm-hmm.
not only in IT, actually,
Yeah.
businesses as well.
Yeah.
Of course, since I'm from IT, maybe
Mm-hmm.
I promote a little bit
Yeah.
more
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
my IT
Sure. Sure.
faculties
Sure.
one.
Mm-hmm.
For instance, like software engineering, software
Mm-hmm.
system development, or this data science program,
Mm-hmm.
we actually equip the students with a variety of these IT or computer science fundamental knowledge to prepare them in the
Mm-hmm.
real world.
Mm-hmm.
You may see that traditional degree programs, they are more on studying theory and
Yeah,
lectures.
true.
But nowadays, this is no longer applicable already.
Mm.
Okay, we still have,
Yeah.
definitely we still need to
Yep,
have,
yep,
because
yep.
we need to introduce and how to say, develop the student very basic skill.
Mm-hmm.
But additionally, we do incorporated or embedded with industrial training.
Yeah.
Like in diploma, we
It
have
needs to
five
be
months.
practical too.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
5 months
I
diploma
see.
and
Mm.
5 months during the degree. So if they
Mm.
actually take our 4 years diploma and degree, actually they totally have 10 months already, almost one
Oh,
whole year of industrial training.
okay. I see. Okay, okay.
And not only that,
Mm-hmm.
actually, for their students FYP during the degree,
Mm-hmm.
we try to let the students to go for a little bit more on industrial projects,
Mm-hmm.
collaboration with the industrial to see
Yeah.
any projects that we can help to take
Mm-hmm.
for the students to hands-on, so that
Ah.
they can expose more
Yeah,
to the
yeah,
real
yeah,
world,
yeah, yeah.
case
True.
study or
Mm.
problem statements. It's not
Mm-hmm.
to say that just look at this theory, the
Yep,
simple
yep. Mm.
foundation, or maybe the theory in the syllabus,
Mm.
then how to say like katak di bawah tempurung like that, don't know
Yeah,
everything outside already.
yeah. Okay, I think that's very
And
important lah to prepare your
yes,
student and your graduate
and
lah.
every semester also we will actually invite the
Mm.
industrial from speaker from industrial
Okay.
to provide some additional insights.
Okay.
What are the latest development in our IT industry, and then
Ah,
sharing
okay.
their
To
experience
keep
and
them up to date
etc.
lah. Okay,
Yes.
I see.
Our syllabus also actually incorporated with some professional certification. For instance,
Mm-hmm.
like networking, we do have the CCNA syllabus.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Cloud computing also, we including these AWS.
Oh, okay.
Then we even have the CompTIA, all this actually. So
Okay.
basically, for instance, like CCNA, right? The students actually after they taken the networking course from us, they can actually go outside and directly sit for the examination
Mm-hmm.
to complete their this certificate,
Yeah,
professional
yeah.
certification
Yeah,
already.
yeah, yeah.
So actually, we're trying to equip the students not only means on the theory
Mm-hmm.
syllabus, but also with all these industrial, professional certification, as far
Mm.
as the this industrial real
Yeah.
world problem statement and etc.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, all right. So, would you like to add anything else? Maybe to promote your booth or any?
I think maybe
Is that it?
I think that's all lah. But then I
Okay.
hope that people will choose us lah.
Okay, all right.
I believe that this is
Mm.
everybody's, all the
Yeah.
colleges,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
so-called expectation, or
Yeah.
this, wish that we have
Mm.
more students to come in to
嗯哼哼
study in
，OK。
our programs.
OK OK，
嗯
所以呢，大家如果你们有兴趣，想要继续了解关于 TARU MD 的话，可以去到他们的 booth A001和002 A001 and A002. They are located inside the exhibition hall. So Miss Key, thank you so much for the session.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you,
Nice
and
to meet you as
yeah,
well.
nice to meet you too. So it was nice to have you around, and see you guys at TARU MT booth. Bye.